Okay, let's do this. Within 2 minutes, I'm going to give you full schema for your page. Let's go into Schema Debugger. I'm working on the site Grabsies. There's nothing there. Debug schema, no JSON. So there's actually no schema on that page. Go into Schema Generator, nothing there. Look. Grabsies.com. This, I can change the page type to anything I want, so I can turn it into a local business page if I wanted to. I can turn it into a, I don't know, FAQ page if I wanted to. But what I want to do with this, as it's marked up as auto detect, generate schema, let's come out of there. Right, it comes up as a web page. So now I'm going to change that web page to a software application page. Again, this is a warning, just telling you, you understand what you're doing. If I go generate schema, remember there is no schema on that page at all. I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, ignore everything I need to do, debug schema, look at schema. I've got 10 rich results, 10 schema blocks already from nothing in a matter of seconds. I've got 13 visibility gaps here. Visibility gaps are things like these warnings, yeah? Those exist there purely because we need to fill in the missing data. Once we fill that missing data in, we can then do a page test. Okay, once you've filled all the data in, like, so let's have a look at this, my products, brand, GTI, and review counts and ratings. Now, I have no review count, nor ratings for this particular product. So I can't put that in there because it's against Google rules. So I have to leave it out because I have no ratings for it. So you can see shipping details, return policies. It'll do up to 1,000 products, 1,000 events, up to 1,000 of any type it will bring in. Yeah. So if we go down to that, go down to that, we click copy, yeah, which is a schema. We then go into index HTML for that page, open it up. No, see no schema, there's no schema there. So if I just add the schema in there, paste, save that, go out of that, save that up there, go out of that, go back into the page, go into Schema Debugger. Now I can actually test it through the actual site itself. So if I debug schema, you will see I have exactly the same 9, 9 and 3 as I had from the test. Okay, if we now go back into Schema Generator and put auto detect type and generate schema, what you will now see is that now has changed to a SAS page, which is what I wanted it to do. So the other thing is to test it using Google data. So this is Google Schema Validator. I can use it now on the site without using a code snippet. I can run the test, 5 items, no errors, no warnings. If I now go into rich snippets and do grabsies.com, which is the site we're working on today, there we go, 12 valid items detected. What you will see from what I've just shown you before, for argument's sake, is these non-critical issues are missing aggregate rating because I've not put them in, so it's working correctly. So I'm quite happy with that. Everything works and it generates a schema, full schema, within 10 seconds.